go through these three. So we have to find the area and the perimeter of these three shapes. Okay, so let's do the area first for the square. So we said the area is length times breadth, right? So it's 5 times 4. 5 times 4.
Yeah.
And that gives us 20, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, 20. The perimeter, they tell us, is side plus side plus side. Okay? So I'm just
18.
line to separate everything over here. Okay. So this is 5 plus 5
Plus 5.
plus 5 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, so that's 8 plus 10, and that gives us 18, right?
Yeah.
Okay. The area of the triangle, they tell us that it is half times base times height, right? And it's always the perpendicular height, eh?
Yeah.
That they're looking for. So look for this. Even if you're doing like a right angle triangle or whatever triangle, it's always the one that is like 90 degrees to the base, right?
Okay.
So that is half times the base, which is 6, times the height, which is 5, right?
Yeah.
And that gives us half times 6, that's 3, times 5 is 15.
15.
Okay.
Yeah.
The perimeter, we said it's side plus side plus side. So that is 6 plus 6 plus 6. And that gives us 18 as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the area of the circle, it's pi times r squared. And we can see our radius is 5, right?
Yeah.
The area is equal to pi times 5 squared. And we get an answer over there, pi. Do you have a scientific calculator?
Yeah.
No, because I saw I gave you the answer in terms of pi. Okay, 78, 54. Okay. And the perimeter, do you see, I think you made that error. I think you put this a pi, I'm sorry, a square over here by this r. It's just 2 times pi times r, right?
Okay.
So it is 2 times pi times 5, right?
Yeah.
And that gives us 2 times pi times 5, 31,42. 31,42. Okay, so that's everything, eh? So just to recap, the area of a square is length times breadth, right?
Yeah.
The perimeter of a square is side plus side plus side plus side because there's 4 sides. So like I said, it's like a fence that you're putting around, right?
Yeah.
The area of a triangle is half times base times height. The perimeter of the triangle is side plus side plus side because there's 3 sides. The area of a circle is pi times r squared, and then the perimeter of the circle is 2 times pi times r. Okay, I think you understood all of that, eh? Do you have any questions?
No, not really. I'm just what's it called? I'm just worried about the circle one. It's a little difficult.